Welcome to Balaji Education YouTube channel. In this video we are going to see the topic arithmetic progression and geometric progression of the aptitude series. At very first let us start with the basic, like arithmetic progression in the short form we can write as AP, and the geometric progression in the short form we can write as the GP. Progression means it is like in this form, like a comma a plus d comma a plus 2d so on a plus n minus 1d. Like a is the first term, a plus n minus 1d will be the last term. D means here the difference. So among this, like in these two terms, the difference will be the d. So to find the second term, we need to add the difference to the first term, and to find the third term, we need to add 2 difference to the first term. So such a way to find the nth term, we need to add n minus 1 difference to the first term. So this is the way of AP. AP means arithmetic progression. In the among the terms, the difference will be the same. So in this question, you can see this is an example to the AP. Like among this, the difference is 2. Like 5 minus 3, which is 2. Again like 7 minus 5, which is 2. The difference will be the same, then it's known as the arithmetic progression. Now to find the sum of the series, you need to use this formula, like n by 2 in the bracket you need to take 2a plus n minus 1d. So this is the formula. Or you need to take like this, like sum of these terms are like n by 2 first term plus the last term. So you can divide like this, like a plus a means the first term, a plus n minus 1d will be the last term. So this is all about the basics of the arithmetic progression. Now let us move to the geometric progression. Geometric progression, the short form we called as GP. So it is in the form like at very first we have the first term, if we have a, then the second term will be the AR. So the difference of the two terms, like it is like multiple R, you need to call like multiple R. Like the third term will be the AR square, the fourth term will be the AR cube, so on. The nth term will be the, to the A we need to multiply the multiple difference of R power n minus 1. Like R will be the difference, like a by r by a, the difference will be the r. In the between, the difference will be the r, but we need to multiply. Here we need to add, here we need to multiply. The only difference is here we need to multiply, here we need to add. Example. So this is the question which is the example for the geometric progression. So in that case, the sum of this GPs are like a bracket r power n minus 1 by r minus 1. So this is the sum. So this is the only thing you can derive all this. This is the condition when r is greater than the 1, you need to take. Suppose when r is less than the thing, then you need to reverse like this. This is the formula. So when r is equal, you need to use this formula, like n into a, f n is infinitive, so this is continuing up to infinity times, then you need to use this formula, like a by 1 minus r. So this is all about the basics of the geometric progression. Let us solve few questions regarding this topic. In that case, find the first question of 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, so on. Find the 10th term. So the formula is, to find the nth term, the formula is a plus n minus 1d. So a is the 3, the last term is the 10. So n means the last term is the 10, 10 minus 1. The difference is 5 minus 3, which is like 5 minus 3, which is like 2, 7 minus 5, which is like 2. So the difference will be the same. It is following the AP condition. So and the difference is 2, like 3 plus 9 into 2, which is like 18 plus 3, which is like 21. So this is the answer to this question. Now so let us move to this question. Like the question is like 3, 6, 12, 24, 48, so on. We need to find the 10th term. So the difference is 3, like 6 minus 3, which is 3, 12 minus 6, which is 6. So it is not following the AP condition, means it is following the GP condition, like 6 by 3 which is 2, 12 by 6 which is 2, again 224 by 12 which is like 2. So it is following the GP condition. Now to find the 10th term we need to use this formula, like to find the last term we need to use a r power n minus 1. So a is the difference of the first term, like a first term is 3, and the difference, like the multiple difference is 2, power the last term we need to find as 10 minus 1, which is like 3 into 2 power 9. So 2 power 9 which is like 512 into 3 which is like 6 ja 3 ja 15 ja. So it is like 536 is the answer to this question. Now let us move to the next question. The next question is like, what is the number of terms in the AP? AP means arithmetic progression. Like the question is like 21, 42, 63, 84, so on 420. So the options are 19, 21, 25 and 20. So to find the last term is given, which is like 420. Now the first term is 21. In order to find the last term is n minus 1 into the difference. The difference is meeting with 42 minus 21, which is like 21. Means n is the 20. So n means it is a number of terms. So in this question the number of terms are 20, which is the option D. Now find the sum of areas of such squares. So we need to find the sum of areas to such squares. So here initially the area will be the 16. Again the later when you calculate this to this box, the area we will get as 8. You can tie out the finding the area to this box, you will get the 8. It will like again 4, it will like so on. So it is in the geometry progression. You can see 16 and the 8, the difference is, the multiple difference is 1 by 2. Again 8, the difference is 1 by 2. So it is of like infinity times now. So it is of infinity times means the sum of the infinitive GPS, we need to use this formula we have set now. Like you can backward the video, you can see the formula, which is like this: a by 1 minus r. The a will be the 16 and the 1 as it is, and the r will be the multiple difference, which is like 1 by 2. So if we calculate this, you will get the value as 32 centimeters. In the form of, you need to take units as centimeter square now. So which is in the option B. So this is a specific question I have taken, because sometimes the question also may get like this in this form. Again let us move to this type of question. The question is like, find the value of p f minus 3x minus 11 comma x plus p and 5x plus 7 are in the AP. So these three terms are in the AP. We need to find the value of p. Use the differences, like the difference of these two will be equals to the difference of these two now. So x plus p, so this will be the minus now, minus of minus 3x minus 11, which is equals to the difference of these two now. So in the AP, the in between the difference of any two numbers or any two values will be equals to the another two value of the difference. So you need to remember this one also, like 5x plus 7 minus x plus p, you need to remember. So after simplification of this equation, you will get the value of p as minus 2, which is the option D. Now let us move to the one basic concept. When the question is asked to find arithmetic mean or the geometric mean, like if the terms are like a1, a2, a3, so on up to an, then the arithmetic formula is you need to sum all the terms and you need to divide with the number of terms, like n, the total number of terms. If we ask you to find the geometric mean, then it is like you need, if the terms are like this, like a1 to a2, a3, a3, so on up to an, then the geometric mean is like you need to multiply all this and you need to power with like 1 by n, like to the multiple power 1 by n. You need to remember these two formulas. The sum of two numbers is 75. Like let the two numbers, let it be x and y. Let x plus y is given as 75, and their arithmetic mean is 25% higher than their geometric mean. Then find the numbers. So he given a hint like the arithmetic mean like am, which is equals to 25% higher than the geometric mean. So if it is a geometric mean means it is like, so it is like 125 by 100 times of geometric mean. It is the meaning like that. The arithmetic mean is followed as the sum of the terms by the number of terms. The geometric mean is followed as the product of the terms to the power 1 by n, 1 by the number of terms. So arithmetic here it taken only two numbers now. So like the numbers are x plus y, it is a sum, and the number of terms are n, which is like 2 only, which is equals to, this can be cancelled like this, like 25 5 ja, 25 4 ja, like 5 by 4. The geometric mean, it is like the product of these two terms and power is 1 by 2. This is the meaning like that. So it is like x plus y equals to 5 by 2. So here you can see it is 2, and xy power 1 by 2. So we, by solving this one, it makes a complex thing. So I am applying the options. So I am checking for the condition 1. So here I am checking for the A. It is like the option A, it is like 50 and 25. 50 plus 25, which is 75. So it is like first equation is passed. So the first equation is passed. Let us check for the second equation. Now x plus 5 is 75. Like here I am taking, I am rough here, like 75 equals to 5 by 2, and here 50 plus 25, like 50 and 25, like 50 into 25 power 2. So which is equals to, it is like 25 into 2 into 25 power 1 by 2. So 25 into 25 power 1 by 2 we can write as like 25, like 25 square power 1 by 2, which is like 25 only, and remaining root 2. So which is not equals to the 75. So here it is not satisfying the second condition. Now let us check for the B. So here he given 60 and he given 15. Applying this, like 60 plus 15, which is like 75, like 60 plus 15, which is 75. The condition 1 is passed, and let us check for the second condition. In the second condition also, this one. Now both the condition is satisfied from 1 and 2. So the option will be the B. So the option will be the B. So now the next question is like the arithmetic mean. AM means arithmetic mean, and write it in a short form. Like arithmetic mean of two numbers is smaller by 18 than the larger number of two numbers. So in the mean, like let us assume two numbers, let it be the Roman numbers 1 and 2. So in arithmetic mean, the second number will be always bigger than the first number. So he given hint like the arithmetic mean of two numbers like 1 plus 2 by 2, which is equals to smaller by the 18 than the larger of two numbers. Like it is smaller by 18 with the larger number. Let it be a larger number, let it be a smaller number. So this is the meaning to this condition, and the geometric mean of the same numbers exceed by the 12 the smaller of the numbers. Like geometric mean means it is like 1 into 2 power 1 by 2, because number of terms are 2 now. So which is equals to the geometry, which is equals to exceeds by the 12 the smaller of the number. So the smaller number is 1. Exceeds means it is adding, so to the 1 it is like 12. So this is the meaning of this condition. Then find the numbers. We need to find the 192. Let us simplify this one like so. Let us consider this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. We can write like this, like 2 minus 1 which is equals to 36. Same, take this as a equation 1. Now 16 and 54, the option A is 16 and 54. Let us check for the first condition, like 54 minus 16, like 54 minus 16 which is like here 14 minus 6 na, like 4 4 8 here remaining, and here will be the 4. Look, like first condition only here failing, so the option A will be the not worth in the this values. Now let us check for the option B. The option B, the values are 24 and 18, like 24 minus 18 which is like here you will get the value as 14, and 14 here remaining is 2 and above is 4, so 6. Here width of 1 na, so 0 6. So option 1 directly failing here. Now let us check for the option C. So option B also not. Let us check for the option C, like 60 and 12, like 12 and 16. I am taking the reverse way, like the condition is reverse way na. So 60 minus 12 which is like here it will be a 10, and 10 minus 2 which is like 8. So here you will get the 5, 48. So but we need a number as 36 only na. So option equation 1 is directly false. So option C also get false. Now let us check for the D. So here 48 and 12, 48 and 12. So when we subtract this, here you will get the 6, here you will get the 3. So option 1 is getting true. Let us check for the option 2. So applying this, like, but no need of checking option 2 because here we are left over with only one option na. So this is will be the your answer. So directly I am using the options because it will get the answer quickly na. So always there will be options na. Use options instead of solving. Let us move to this question. This is a question like the third term of GP is 4, like it is in the geometric progression. The geometric progression, the series is like A, the multiplication difference is R. So again the next term will be AR square, AR cube, AR or AR4, so on like this na. Now in this the third term of geometric progression is 4. So this is the term which is like 4. The product of first 5 terms is we need to find. So the product of all this we need to find. First 5 terms is it is up to like it is a fifth term, like it is the first term, it is the second term, it is the third term, it is the fourth term, it is the fifth term. So up to this we need to find the product of this. He given only the third term. The third term which is like the value as AR square which is equals to 4. The product of all this is like A is repeating up to the 5 times, like A power 5. So if you multiply all this you will get the value of A as power 5, and the value of R as like here there is the value of no R na. So 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 2 like 3, 3 plus 3 which is 6, 6 plus 4 which is like 10. So it is like value 10. So the product will of the whole terms will be the value of A power 5 into R power 10. So you can write like this, like AR square power 5, like the power when we apply to the bracket, then it is like A power 5 into 2 into 5 which is like 10, A power 10. So we have the value for this na. So why I converted means I have value for this, like AR square equals to 4 na. So apply the value in this, like 4 power 5 which is in the option C. So this is how we can find the answer to the question. So only the thing is here whenever you got the equations, use the options. So if when you use the options you will get the answer quickly instead of solving. So if you really like the video, please give a like and support by subscribing. If your friends are preparing for the aptitude, please share my videos. Thank you for the watching.